I'm in love with fishing, and fishing's what I do. And if you wanna try 'em up, I'll take you fishing too. Maybe in the morning, the noonday, or at night. It don't really matter, I just wanna get that bite. We may catch a limit, or maybe just a few. But even if the fish don't bite, just being out here do. We may fish the ocean or a river running free. And if you catch the biggest one, it'll be alright by me. Yes, I'm in love with fishing, and fishing is my life. So grab your pole and go with me. This is the life of a fisherman's wife. Let's go pull them in.
Let's go. Hey, we're in La Crosse. This is our annual trip. This is our Airbnb. We did not do this in Grenada Lake because we believe in supporting small businesses, not chain. So this is a Airbnb. Her name is Gigi. She seems very nice. Well, that's the name of her place is Gigi. Her name is Stacy. Fishin Ed and I had to get something to start by Famous Dave. I like Famous Dave. I'm not giving them any shout outs, but I like Famous Dave's. We don't have one in Kenosha. You want to show them if the heater works? Okay, well, let me see if the heater works. Ooh, the little fireplace, so cozy. I like that. That's nice. Here's the TV here. A little dining area here. The bedroom right there. I don't know if there, yeah, there's an overhead light. Where you turn it on at? Oh, here's one right here. Oh, there it is. There goes the overhead light. She has a TV in the corner. Guys, we don't like big places. This was only $79. Here's the little kitchenette. Very pretty. You see how she got her dishes set up there. The microwave, the refrigerator. It's fine for us, guys. We're only here for 2 days. The stove. And here's the bathroom. Here's the shower over here. She has her linen already out. And here's the shower in here. So everything is nice and clean and tidy. Guys, she left us a note. A card. Oh, guys, let me show you this. Let me show you this right here. There is water right out there. I don't know if you can see it, but that's the lake. We have full rights.
River.
The Mississippi River. We have full rights to fish there as much as we would like. There are some docks out there we can stand on tomorrow when it's lighter and a little warmer. We'll go out there and we'll show you that. They also have a swimming pool for the summer months. Guys, you get all this for $79? Come on now. But this is the card. Guys, your Airbnb host does not have to do this. This is something like a special touch. She left us some muffins on the table, a chocolate chip and a blueberry muffin. This is our card that she gave us. Here it says, 2 simple words that come with so much gratitude. I'm going to open it. I'm going to read it, what she says on the inside of it. Like I say, they don't have to do this. This is something that's extra. Thank you. We are so glad you're here. Enjoy your stay and fishing. Stacy, because I told her that we like to fish. Okay, tomorrow we're going to show you the lake. And this is, again, a quick little view. It's not huge, guys, but that's okay. It is nice, clean, and cozy. You got places to sit. I really like her special touch with the little heater here. I have no complaints. I cannot complain at all. Guys, get your Airbnb. Small is cheaper than a hotel, more room, everything. All right, we'll show you the outside in a little bit. Guys, y'all know Fishin Ed like this. Look at him. I get dressed to come out the room. There you. He just saw me. So You know he loved this right here. This is his heavenly place. And if fish biting, oh, I might not be able to get him out of this place. But yeah, this is part of the amenities for the room. I think the name of her house is Gigi's Lake House. I will confirm it in the descriptions. But yeah, this is totally the lake. It is great, guys. It is great.
I had one bite on the tight line and missed him.
You had one bite on the tight line and you missed him?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah. It's a chilly morning, but I think it's going to warm up today. I don't think it's going to stay this chilly. Hey guys, this is your girl Linda with the Life of a Fisherman Wife with the guy she always does it with, her Fishin Ed.
What's up?
Guys, we are at our annual trip.
Yeah.
We make a trip down here every year, and if you have been following us, you'll know exactly where we are. So if you can recognize where we are, just put it in the comments and say, I know exactly where you are. And yes, you all do go there every year.
You know what? Whoever, the first person that get it right, we're going to send you a shirt.
Yeah, we'll send you a shirt. The very first person that gets it right, we'll send you one of our Life of Fisherman's, what is it? The Life of a Fisherman Wife t-shirt. And if you're a guy, we'll put I am the fisherman.
Should I give them a hint?
No hints.
No
No
hint?
hints.
Okay.
No hints. No
All right.
hints. I gave them a hint. An annual trip.
Yeah, we do a lot of annual trips though, but okay.
What about humble beginnings?
Nope. We go to, okay, that'll work too, but
No,
that's
you
enough.
just that's
Come
enough.
on.
That's enough.
Come on, time
All
to
right.
go.
All right. Fishin' Ed want to run, so we'll let you know when we get on song.
All right. This is where we were catching all our fish at, off those that little ledge there, but look, ain't nowhere to get it. So many people on that ledge, man. So you could pay $20 and go way out here. There's a lot of boats out there, but that boat right there, where is it? Right there, you pay $20 and it'll take you all the way across, all the way to the barge right here, and you can fish on that barge all day for 20 bucks. I went out there last year, but I didn't have much luck, so I came back in and I fished right here off this ledge right here yesterday, where I caught all my perch at right here. But man, it's packed, so I don't even know if we're gonna try it right now, because I tried off the bank right here last year. I didn't get a single perch down there where he's sitting, but you never know. So all right, we'll get back with you later.
Guys, that is so cool to me how they've been flying and just stopping on the water the way they're doing, like they skiing on the water. Did you see them? It's like they're skiing. And they've just been having fun. You got one of them boys? A nice boy too. If you don't lose him trying to get off there. Should I ask you this silly question?
What?
Are we keeping him?
Keeping the body. Let me show y'all what he did. Come over here.
All right, let me get
He
this
in there
phone.
good too. I got a bite, and I said, "Oh, I just had a bite, Lynn. I couldn't tell what it was."
You said you were gonna show what you were there by you
yeah,
threw it
he
down.
threw it on the ground. Y'all, when I was here last year, I had the Wonder Bread jig, and I got another Wonder Bread. It's a different color, but it's still Wonder, the Wonder jig.
Cause he sent me to go get him,
Yeah.
and I didn't know what he was talking about,
All right.
and that looked like what he was talking about, so I got what he looked like.
Well, I told her to think about the when you buy a loaf of Wonder Bread, those bold, vibrant colors on there.
But look at that one. That one got bold.
It's got some of the color, but it's not as bold as the Wonder Bread color.
Oh, okay.
It's a little lighter version, but it works. So that's what I got, y'all. I think he's about 9.5, 10. We're gonna get the measure and we're gonna see.
Okay.
All right. Yeah, we can't find our crappie measure. It's in that truck somewhere. When you're traveling, you get so much stuff mixed up. But there he is. This one here is only about 8. I think I'm gonna throw him back. Be fishing in Lake Michigan. Well, ain't no snags here.
So here's my bobber. Guys, as soon as I set the stand up, got all set up for the fish, this is what I did. I keep saying I'm gonna quit. I'm gonna quit. I just quit. Guys, I got one. Hey, oh,
You had
go.
one. He gone.
He off already.
He off.
He off.
Okay, let me see your hook. I'm gonna bring your hook out.
The guys Fishin' Ed thought he was videoing. He was, but he was videoing his chest more than he was videoing the fish. So hopefully he can get some more. The fisherman's wife is giving up because either she's in a tree or she's getting everything all tangled up. So
I'm gonna have to get her a cane pole, y'all.
I guess I am gonna have to get that cane pole.
She just can't see in the wind with these reeling rods. She's up in the tree, she's tangled up in the box.
Today is just not my day. I don't know what's going on with me today, but today is not my day.
I told you need to fish Lake Michigan where there ain't no trees, it's just open water.
Well, what about the real?
Backlash?
Yeah.
Well, that's something you're gonna have to learn to check your line before you start reeling it in. There you
Well,
go.
I thought I did, but guess not. So we're gonna see what you're gonna do out there.
I just missed one.
I saw.
Did you see it go down? There you go again.
Oh, you hung that time.
Yeah. He hit it. And I hung it when I shot the hook. Now guys, I know it's little bluegills over here because I've been seeing them swimming around down here. But the crappie are down here too.
Yep. I don't know if you got his last crappie that he caught, but he caught 2 crappie out of here. Guys, I'm teachable. I'm trying to teach myself to stop saying crappies. But it's hard.
Just do what you've been doing. They know what you're talking about. If that's the way you talk, that's the way you talk. Just keep it real.
Yeah, I'm 100% real.
Well, you like saying crappies, keep on saying crappies.
You talk about me when I say crappies, though.
No, I don't laugh sometimes.
All right, guys. The fish just playing with him. We'll see what we're going to get, though.
Yeah, them little ones. I'm going to go in a different spot.
Now you want to get hung all up.
I might. Chance I might get that big crappie, too. There you go. You see him? Here the guy. Ooh, rock tree.
Oh, you all tangled up. But you did better than I do. I guess you can maneuver things better than me. If you want to get them off and just throw them up here to me, that'll work. Or you can't.
I'm hung in 100 trees.
That's why I say if you want to get them off, throw them to me.
Yeah, I get them off. It's hard though.
Guys, look what he got to maneuver. See, this is the predicament he like to get himself into.
Because I know the fish are in there. You see, I know. I'd rather be in a predicament catching fish than to be in a good open area and not catching anything. So
I heard
like
that.
I say, wherever the fish want to be, that's where I'm going to try to be.
So guys, we're going to get that one measured. I'm going to show you what Fishin' Ed did to the bucket down here.
If he want hook, he would have been gone.
I know. I heard the whoops. I was going to reach for it.
No, it's too much space.
He says too much space. He don't want.
What I did, I got to come out anyway once I get on and get him space.
What you fishing with?
Wax worm?
Want me to hand you one?
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna get him a wax worm. Guys, this is the tub of wax worm we get from Randy's. It is the
I had to come out anyway. I was hurting. I was twisted wrong.
what is it? Randy's and Paddock Lake.
Yeah, Paddock Lake Sporting Goods.
Yeah. So we get 250, and do you remember how much they cost?
I think they like $16 or $17 for 250.
Yeah, and that lasts us a long time.
If I don't forget and leave them in the car and they get too hot, but right now you ain't got to worry about that. And these little wonder jigs came from there too.
Yep.
We got 3 of these bigger ones, and if they get finicky, we got 3 of the 1/64 ounce. This is a 1/32 ounce right here.
All right, we're gonna get this one right here measured. We let him stay out the water way too long. If you gonna keep it right, regardless. He said, so what do? I put his head on the one?
You let his tail touch the ground and put his head to whatever number it goes.
Oh, he said put his tail touch the ground. What if he don't want his tail to touch the ground? All right, tail touch the ground. Guys, I think he probably 9. He look like he 9. So 9 go in the bucket. We got so much trash in there. But we got 3 so far. We got 3 of them boys. That's Fishin Ed. Oh, he just caught something else.
The little blue gears out there.
The little blue gear. I got him. I'm going to turn it off and I'm going to get him off and throw him away. And this is why I given up. See? Look at all this. Just look at this.
Oh, yeah, I got to come get that out, though.
So that is why I gave up. No, honey, you fish. You do your thing. I'm good. I am so good. Fishin Ed don't want me to give up. He want to come get it or lose. But he catch a fish and I'm tangling up. So I'd rather for him to fish than to come untangle me.
Nope. I'd rather untangle you and keep on fishing. Or both of us can fish.
God, that's what he love. But he know me. I abandon him and go to the truck.
Yeah, I know. But still, they bite it slow like this. Now for us to get a good mess, we both need to be double teamed.
Oh, okay. It's not that you want me to have fun. It's just you want me to help you double team them.
I'd rather for you to have fun, even if we throw every one of them back. But that's the only way I can get you to stay if I take you with me to double team and catch a good meal.
Guys, he and his son is just alike. Our baby is just alike. He could call me on the phone and I be like, okay, I gotta go now. And he'll strike up an interesting conversation so that I can stay. He was like, I know if I say this, you'll stay on the phone with me a little bit longer. And that's the way Fishin Ed is.
All right, I'm coming now.
All right.
One more try. I did catch one with naked jig, so.
Okay.
You got it.
Yep, I finally got him.
He's little.
He is. And he swallowed it too.
Oh, rats. We seen him kept dancing and wouldn't never take it. I get it.
Barber.
All right. See, it's not swallowed, guys. It's just in there deep. It's not down the throat. So if you wiggle and get that head out right there, you can catch that head. You know that eye is this way, so you know that hook is turned the same way that eye. So what I do, I catch it by that and push it down like that, and it pop right out. See that?
So you let him keep the wax worm.
He can have it.
Peace.
All right. And there you go. This is what she's using, guys. She's using this this little 1/64 ounce chartreuse and green. All right.
Sure.
This one got it way down there, guys.
And you need me to go get your plows that Larry sent you?
Nah, I think he's gonna be a throwback. I don't want to hurt him.
Okay, well, can you pass them to me?
On the grass. There you go. He ain't hurt. I think he about 7.5.
You think he about 7.5? He is. So, okay. So you say put him on the ground. He right at 8.
Yeah.
We're gonna set him free. He's really not thick, and he was thicker than grits. Even though he 8, he will be 8.
You know what? I think they have foamed out. That's why they so thin like that.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
But he wasn't thick at all, so it was time for him to go back.
What you got? That's to the barber.
I know, but I'm not catching anything, so I have to try to hurry up.
It's getting chilly, guys.
It is the wind blowing.
I'm gonna have to get my coat on.
You want to fillet him?
No. He gone. Yeah, it's getting chilly. The wind, it's supposed to get in, what, 60, 58?
Supposed to get in the 60s today.
Yeah, here it is, 11 o'clock, guys, and it's chilly. So hopefully it'll warm up for too long. I might have to get my coat. All right.
Guys, I got one. He's not a baby, but I mean, he's not as big as I would like him to be, but he's not a baby. So maybe we're gonna fish out all the smaller ones, but I don't think he's bucket worthy. All right, let's see, can we get another one? Can we do a repeat? Maybe I'm getting better at this. But guys, like he said, the wind is blowing. I think that's what my problem was, because he's tried to start to throw out and he started to get tangled. So it wasn't me. It's just not me. I'm happy that it just wasn't me. All right, we're gonna get tossed back out there. We're gonna see, can we get another one to wind stop blowing so much. That's one of them boys. A nice one? Yeah. And you were just talking about letting the rest of them go. Don't make me hurt you. Talking about letting them go.
I'm gonna have all kind of slime on my coat.
That's all right. It could be washed. If gang can't get it out, it won't come out. But I'm sure it will. I ain't gonna measure him.
Nah, you gotta measure him.
This man right here. But he is a nice one. He's about what? About 11? I'm gonna do it just for you, just because he said 11, because I don't think it's 11. I think it's about 10. All right, right there. Sure. He's 10. Yep. Nope. Well, let's get him up a little bit. Right there. I think he right at 10. Ooh, the guys, all those fish in there, he talking about, we ain't got enough, we might throw him back. That man gonna make me throw him back in that water. He a nice one.
Yeah. Look right in the top of the mouth. That's what you want. He ain't getting off. I was scared he was, but he ain't getting off.
He ain't getting off.
This one's good too.
Guys, I just want to measure him. He don't need to be measured, because he going in a bucket, because he thick. Even if he ate, he thick like grits. All right, let's flip this back over the other way. All right, now, stop it. Guys, I think he about 9, I want to say, maybe 10. I don't know, because I don't know what I'm doing. Fishin Ed need to do that. Y'all look like we're gonna have to end this video on this little bitty bluegill.
Yeah. I guess he gonna have to be the last one of the day.
Yeah.
Slowed up.
Yep, the crappie just pretty much stopped biting right now.
They probably started back. It's like 1 o'clock, so they probably taking a station identification.
Yep, but it's trying to get warm out here.
It is warming up finally.
The sun will come out and it'll warm up, then it'll go behind the cloud, the wind will start blowing, then it'll get really cool. Even when the wind blowing, when the sun is out, it don't feel so bad. It's just when the sun go under the cloud is when it starts to feel bad. So as soon as Fishin Ed climb off their log, maybe we can do our outro. I know, that's you. I can turn around. So let's flip it. So guys, we have tried every technique there is. The water is higher than we have ever fished it here, right? Yeah, it's higher than we have ever fished. So we got some nice crappies. Let me show you what we got. I catch of the day. That's the catch. Some pretty nice sized crappie. I don't want to stick my hand in there because guys, it's cold. But we're going to ask you to make tomorrow better than today.
And until next time, God bless and good fishing.
Peace, y'all. We out of here.
Now that fishing's over, sun is getting low. Yes, I caught a big one, but I just had to let him go. Yes, he was a nice one, he was the biggest of the day. Sure felt mighty good to me just to watch him swim away. May not ever see him again, this I know is true. But now that he is swimming free, you might catch him too. Glad you came to fish with me, yes it was really nice. Maybe we can go again on the life of a fisherman's wife. Until next time, God bless and good fishing. Peace.